Hello everybody, Gene Tamashiro here, sovereign Hawaiian living lawfully in my own country. Hawaiian Kingdom ko Hawaii Aina in continuity. So this past Monday, July 20th, we met with Hawaii County Prosecutor Mitch Roth. We've been developing trust and a relationship of cooperation without surrendering our sovereign Hawaiian status. So they're getting used to it. You know, right now, as of right now, they're not actually admitting in the public venue, although they did recognize us in 1849 with our treaties. No worries. We keep pushing with aloha our true status and the law of this soil. Codified Declaration of Rights 1839, khpollc, Hawaiian Kingdom, as I said, in continuity. So we are meeting. We did meet on that day, Monday, this past Monday, and we want to make sure that people know that we're standing there as a Hawaiian Kingdom task force operating under the Most High Law, the Creator's Law, once again, Declaration of Rights 1839. We're not there to just give information as if we're U.S. citizens under their power, control, and authority. We're there as sovereign Hawaiians, and we are setting up a template, a process whereby the United States, their agents and employees, in this case their law enforcement, the prosecutor's office, would honor their oath to the U.S. Constitution. That is the foundation of law for the occupying power, incorporated. U.S. Constitution, and that would be Article 6, Clause 2. If you're going to occupy a country, yes, you can legislate. Yes, you do enforce, but you must legislate and enforce in accordance to the laws of the land you occupy. That would be ko Hawaii Aina, Hawaiian Kingdom in continuity. Okay, so we're developing trust. People, if you have any issues regarding human or sex trafficking, you want some help, you want some protection in the law of this soil, you can call us. Call me. We'll get that information, and it is private. It belongs to our community, our lahui. Okay? Right now, we're just developing trust with the county, because you gotta sometimes hold your friends and your enemies close. They want to get to know us. We want to get to know them. All right? So I just want you to realize, yeah, we're not under their jurisdiction. We're cooperating Hawaiian Kingdom law, and in their case, U.S. Constitution, Article 6, Clause 2. Okay? So here's the video. A little bit of live moments together with the occupying corporation. God bless you. So we're here at Mitch Roth's office, Hawaiian Kingdom Task Force, Hawaiian Kingdom Governance Authority, and we're grateful because Mitch Roth sees the wisdom, how it's important that the state of Hawaii and the county of Hawaii cooperate and coordinate, you know, with Hawaiian Kingdom, and we're operating in Hawaiian Kingdom law. Even though we were born into this unusual 127-year conundrum, we are transcending the politics and the legalese of our situation, so we can arrive at good solutions and plans so that the harm of human trafficking, sex trafficking, and all the other egregious harms, we're beginning that process to work together. So I'm super grateful to meet with you, Mitch, and some of your other colleagues like that. And so we wanted to make sure that all you people out there, whether you're an American or Hawaiian, especially if you're a sovereign American or sovereign Hawaiian, that there really is unity in the law already. And this is something that we're working with Mitch to figure out how can we clarify that and then move on that, such that, you know, everybody feels empowered by the truth and by real justice. So mahalo. Maybe Mitch, you have something you would like to say about our collaboration?
Yeah, I just want to thank you all for coming out, and what we talked about today is really finding the common ground, because that's how you solve problems, that's how you build relationships, is you start looking at the things that we can agree on. We all want to protect our KT, we all want to have the focus in the right place versus, you know, looking to the other side, because we're looking in the wrong directions. And the problems here, we're not going to see it. So I really appreciate you guys coming out, setting up this meeting, Gene.
Thank you.
I appreciate you reaching out to me and Shelby and everybody who, you know, has come forward. We had a really good talk. I think you gave us some really good information, and I appreciate that. So
Okay.
thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everybody.
Keep going, Roger.
God bless.
Yep.
So long. Okay, so we want to end human trafficking and smuggling. I want to thank State Prosecutor, County Prosecutor Mitch Roth, who's running for mayor, who's willing to take away the political side to actually talk with us, spend time with us, bring out the team, because we do have an aftercare problem. We're working with our local people, Auntie Deborah, really sweet, to help with the victim care, because we have hearts with Aloha. And if you are watching, definitely go to the Blue campaign. We're working with the Department of Homeland Security. There are two different crimes occurring. Trafficking, which is the exploitation, and smuggling. To be honest with you guys, I cannot prove trafficking without hurting people. It's very difficult. I can prove smuggling. Now, 100% cases we're finding smuggling, there's dope and heroin involved and needles. We can't say more about that. The best thing we can do as the uncles and aunties is to help give you courage to speak up. Definitely fight against for tyranny and oppression. And if you do believe in your faith, it's Imua Imuna.
Imua Imuna.
Semper Fi, to have faith and go forward. So we love you all. Please stay safe out there, and aloha.
Well, everybody.
Thank you.
Choo!
All right.
Okay, guys.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch.
Let's take one photograph.